So you've got loads of text and emails, reports, messages, and documents. Like tons of it. So much, it's tough to keep track. That's where AI steps in to help you sort it out in seconds, with named entity recognition. A powerful tool that understands what your text is actually saying. It finds names of people, places, dates, even currency values, and more. It scans the text and picks these entities out automatically. Then it labels them for you. And it is clean, organized, and fast. It's all powered by advanced, smart AI models trained to understand language. We're talking about BERT and BioSTM, some of the best in natural language processing. You get results in real time, no waiting around. And yes, it's impressively accurate. Your search functionality becomes smarter, and your chatbots respond more like humans. Long documents are automated, and AI digest reviews, pulling out key insights. And the best is that it works with every industry, from healthcare to retail, from finance to travel. Named entity recognition works wherever words matter. It's flexible, scalable, and ready to adapt to your domain. No more messy data. Get more clarity and confidence. Named entity recognition is built to scale, to handle everything you throw at it. And at Ksolves, we've mastered it to work for you. We're AI experts with years of experience in enterprise-ready solutions. Want to learn how it all works? Dive deeper into named entity recognition in our full blog, link in the description. Contact us today. Let's build something smarter together. Talk to Ksolves today.